Hello, Math Explorers. Question. How do you know how much wrapping paper you need to cover this box? You can't just guess, or your gift might look like modern art. Today, we'll discover the secret using nets and surface area of a cube. I'm Teacher Waven, and today we'll learn how to build 3D shapes using nets, understand surface area, solve for the surface area of a cube. Are your math brains ready? Let's stretch them. Math stretch. Let's review. Identify the solid figures that can be formed by using the following nets. Before we level up, let's review nets. What is a net? A net is a flat pattern that can be folded to form a 3D shape. Examples: net of a cube becomes a cube. Net of a triangular pyramid becomes a pyramid. Joke break. What's a cube's favorite subject? Geometry, because it's well-rounded. When you see a net, always ask, what solid figure will this form? Now let's build our own 3D models. Materials: scissors, cardboard, tape, printed nets. Steps: cut the net. Paste it on cardboard to make it sturdy. Fold the edges. Tape the tabs. Form the solid shape. You can create a robot, a house, a car. If your model looks weird, don't worry. That's called abstract math art. How many shapes did you use? What did you add to make your model look better? Now let's talk about surface area. Surface area is the total area of all faces of a solid figure. Example: a cube has 6 faces, and all of them are squares. If one face has an area of 9 square units, 6 faces times 9 equals 54 square units. To solve faster, we use a formula. Surface area equals 6 times s squared, where SA equals surface area, S equals side length. Example 1. S equals 5 units. Step 1. Area of one face. 5 times 5 equals 25. Step 2. Multiply by 6 faces. 6 times 25 equals 150 square units. Example 2. S equals 10 centimeters. Area of one face equals 10 times 10 equals 100. Surface area equals 6 times 100 equals 600 square centimeters. Example 3. S equals 5.5 inches. 5.5 times 5.5 equals 30.25. 6 times 30.25 equals 181.5 squared inches. If your answer is wrong, don't panic. You're not a calculator, you're human. Where do we use surface area in real life? Wrapping gifts, painting boxes, covering walls with wallpaper. So next time you have a project, you won't guess. Math will guide you. Today we learned nets of solid figures, surface area concept, surface area formula of a cube. Remember, math isn't scary. Sometimes it's funny too. In fact, the more you practice, the more you'll realize that math is like a puzzle game. Every problem you solve makes your brain stronger and sharper. So don't be afraid of numbers. Be curious about them. If you learned something today, like this video so more learners can discover it too. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next fun lesson. Share this with your friends, classmates, or even your family, because learning math is more fun when we learn together. See you in the next lesson, Math Explorers. Keep practicing, keep asking questions, and always remember, smart minds are made through practice, patience, and a little bit of fun.